Did someone say KFC?
I don't care. I love it.
Get outstanding value hospital cover with Bupa, starting from under $20 a week. And be prepared for life's ups.
Down. Are we on? Are we on? Yep, we should be on. What's going on, YouTube fam? Let me guys know if you can hear me all good. Hey Ron, Eddie, Michael, how's it going? Good to have you guys here. Let me guys know if you can hear me all good. And we'll get started in a sec. All good, nice. Cool. All right, let me just move this across. Loud and clear, nice one guys, appreciate it, let me know. All right, we'll jump over the charts in a sec guys. Apologies, I was slightly late, I was just running some other things, but we're here. We're ready to trade, break down the markets, and see what's going on. Hopefully take some positions today as well. It's been a relatively quiet week for me. I've only taken 3 trades this week, so quieter than normal, but it's been very quiet conditions. I know a lot of people have been taking a lot of unnecessary trades this week. I say unnecessary because, you know, the setups haven't been the best. So during these times, this is where you need to stay quiet, get in, quicken out moves, make your bank and be done. So yeah. First time watching, hey Chris, appreciate you tuning in, man. Rami, what's going on, bro? Prince Shaleb, what's going on, brother? All right, let me just get the community up in a second. How's everyone found the markets this week? You guys found it quiet as well? Choppy? You guys taken many trades? I know I've spoken a lot to a lot of my friends and a lot of my trading friends that trade full time, and they haven't taken many positions this week. But I know a lot of people that are still on their grind have taken a lot of trades this week and taken a lot of losses. So we can run over that as well. We'll share that for you guys. Apologies, I've moved my desk around because I'm moving place. So I'm looking here, my laptop's here. So if you wonder why I'm looking here and not looking at you guys, that's why. But yeah, guys, drop a little like for the stream and we'll get started in 2 seconds. We'll get ready to go and start breaking down the markets because things are moving. Okay, gold pushing up, GJ pushing lower. All right. Good week for me. Great, man. Good to hear. It's been a good week for me as well. Quiet, but good. Overtrade this week. Almost blew my account. Yeah, man. This is what I was saying. This is the time in the markets where this is what separates the pros from the upcoming traders, I should say. Is knowing when to trade and knowing when not to trade. And recently, there has been some fantastic moves yesterday actually on gold. Massive fake outs. Of some big levels, taking out some liquidity and then pushing lower. So if you guys caught the shorts on gold yesterday, that was a banger of a position. Very big moves. We'll run over that as well. Let me just invite everyone in. Okay, let me get Zoom up. Trading view. All right. Thanks to you, a lot of it. Cool, man. Cool. England, are you from? Where in England are you from? I'm from a place called Jersey. So it's not actually England, but it's a little island just off the UK called Jersey, man. Let me try and position my camera a bit better. But I am living in Australia now, so it's a beautiful day outside. It's been very hot. So I've been running some errands with a new place. And enjoying some sun and drinking lots of iced coffee. So life is good. How long you in Oslo? I have been here, man. I've been here for about 7 months now, and I'm going to be staying for a long time. Potentially, long term, is in a place where I'll probably stay for a long time to set up a home base, and I'll be traveling in between that as well. Yo, what's going on, Zoom fam? Yeah, I'm good, man. How are you?
Happy now you're moving into mansion.
I'm back at the apartment, but I'm going to be moving a lot of stuff on the weekend.
The apartment is 3 stories. Okay, guys, don't buy into Aaron's. Just bought a mansion also.
Looks like a house, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice house, man. Nice house, nice garden.
Yeah.
Gold Coast.
No, in Brisbane actually, man.
Whereabouts?
A place called, let me see, Brackenridge.
Oh yeah, north side.
Yeah, man. Yeah, close-ish to the beach and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a nice spot.
Sweet as, man. Congrats.
Thank you, man. So we'll be moving some stuff over the weekend. Morning, bro. Few trades this week. Net positive. Good, man. Congratulations. Thank you, brother. Ash is here in the cold. Great. I'm from South Africa, and my Oz is my home now. Hey, nice, man. Nice. Should find a way.
In like Asia somewhere.
Yeah, Ash is in Vietnam. Should find a way for the Zoom audio to come through as well. Yeah, I know, Ash. You can do that as well. I have no idea how, but you can actually do that. And I can have the guys on Zoom picture showing on YouTube as well, but I have no idea how to do that. Yeah, GJ blowing up. GJ dropping. Guys, drop a little like for the stream on YouTube and I'll start sharing my screen. Gets to 15 likes and I'll start sharing my screen. We can start breaking down the charts. Any of you guys on Zoom taking any trades yet this morning?
Well, it's been bonkers.
Yeah, man. See that move on gold. Lost your voice. Sorry, YouTube fam. I didn't see it. Muted. Apologies. Where in Thailand did you just visit, Eddie? I was in Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and Phuket. And I'm going back in April with the community for about 2 weeks of the community, and I'm staying for an extra 2-3 weeks. That hotkey again. No, Ron, I actually for some reason just had it muted on OBS, so that's my bad. Well, I'm a fan from Thailand today. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. So look at GJ. See what we want to see. GJ breaking lower. Look at that. Yesterday closed on GJ. How is that? Strong. GJ's in just big range. Broke above. Is a fake out this level. Breaking even lower.
It's just GG from the US.
Yeah, we'll wait for the 30-minute close to assess. But if we break all these levels, have we grabbed this little double bottom yet? Not yet. Look at that. Nice look. It's about to get spiked out. Anyone trying to go long right now, you're going to get wicked out in a second.
Just so you know.
Yeah, just so you know, if you try to go long right now, you're about to get wicked out.
If you're holding, don't.
But yeah, gold's had a nice bounce. A nice bounce.
But you did it close below there though.
Yeah, I wonder how this next 15 minutes is going to close. We come and grab maybe a little double top here. Look at that. This little double top right there. Oh, don't do that.
I'm not going to be review in 30 minutes or so.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Work.
Oh, yeah, back on the grind. You have to let me know how today goes. You see if you have... You might be back in within the hour.
Yeah, so yeah. Hold your breath. Keep the stream open, okay?
No audio. There's audio. Yeah, there should be audio. Audio should be back on now. Audio should be back on. What's that sending me? Whoa. What's everyone looking at the minute? I'm waiting for this. Oh, look at that on GJ. Oh, look at that. Did we grab that double bottom? No, we didn't. That's getting grabbed. Oh, let's see what news we got going on today. Let's see.
When you're looking at gold,
I've just said that pound
news.
news.
This can bro. GJ is just messy. Like 15, 30 minutes, even the 1 hour.
Yeah.
Where have you got targets on GJ?
Yeah. Amir, hey everyone. Aaron, thanks for taking the time to do this again. Yeah, appreciate it, Amir. Appreciate you tuning in. Arun, you can call me Arun if you want. Arun. I'm going to wait for this 15 and 30 minute close to then start properly breaking it down and see what's going on. Gold could be creating this little head and shoulders right here though. Depending on if we can hold above this. Nice, got left shoulder, head, right shoulder, come back up and retest some levels up here. Could be nice. To the lows, yeah. Yeah, look at that. Failing to close below the support. Cannot do it. Wicked out. I mean, look at all of this. This is huge. All this. One big juicy level just all being wicked out. Yeah. All just being taken out. Look at that. All of it. All of it. Look at that. All of that. Resistance. Support, 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 support. All wicked out. Could gold now see a push back up? How's the weekly starting to form on gold? Yeah, solid. Break. Retest. Doji. Yesterday's close was very bearish, I believe. Wicking out them highs one more time. Failing to break above our resistance. Boom. Slamming back down. So yeah, let's see. Let's see how this 15 closes. Where's my level just gone? This. How would you know if you are to scalp or to swing trade? Does it depend on the setup or the emotions of the person? As in, like, how do you know what's better suited for you? Is that what you mean? That's how I kind of read that.
What does he mean? How would you determine the trade is a scalp or a swing?
Yeah, that's kind of what I was wondering. Yeah, if you mean that, then it depends on the time frame you're trading. Oh, look, there's 15-minute close.
Yeah.
What was that 5-minute close on gold? Right, I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute close on gold, and we might go long. We might get a very quick trade. Let me just get my demo account up on my computer.
Hands on the buzzer.
Yeah, I just need to get my demo account up and ready. We'll make that demo profit today to pay for the new place.
I'm reading it. There's damn, girl.
Who's joining? Brett's joining the chat. Morning from South Africa. Any trades taken yet? No, not yet, man. Not yet. We're waiting for this next 5-minute and 30-minute close to assess. Look at this nice level we got on gold here as well.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice level.
Yeah.
Are you trading demo? I only trade demo. Demo profits for the win. You get a nice withdrawal from your demo account. Amazing. You take it out. If you take some losses on your demo account, you just ask your broker to reset your balance.
Yeah.
That's the key.
Win, win, win.
That's the key to becoming a social media trader. Right, yeah, let's wait for this 5-minute close. We get the 5-minute, 15, and 30 all in this next one, and then the Owlie's going to start to form. Owlie's just taking out these lows. Owlie could have a nice drive up here. Come retest some levels. Lol, as if demo. I show off my demo all the time. Never so my live account. Yeah, you got to do that. You got
like the youngster after we watch on the US stream.
What's that? Sorry.
That youngster, the young trader.
Yes. Yeah.
People are saying that you traded the ever yesterday.
Nice.
I did have a giggle.
Oh, well, people were saying that to him, or he was saying that.
Yeah. No, people are saying it to him.
Fuck
And
it.
chat, and I was like, for fuck's sakes. Get a grip.
Nothing wrong with trading a bit of demo, getting that demo withdrawal. I saw someone on I never really use TikTok, but I use it just to repost my reels that I post on Instagram. And
Yeah.
the fake traders you get on TikTok is absolutely insane.
I'm not on TikTok.
People showing, no, you don't want to be. People showing this kid showing 600k in payouts, and I commented demo, and he's like, yeah, but it says withdrawal. It's like, yeah, it says that if you withdraw on a demo as well, it says withdrawn. You fucking retard.
Was it actually? Yeah.
Yeah, you can take money. You can take money out on a demo account, to reset your balance or something, and it will say you withdrawed a certain amount. So you fucking fake anything these days. So when I then replied that, then he just didn't say anything. I was like, you fucking idiot.
The one from Jersey is calling people out on TikTok.
Yeah, I'll start some TikTok rivalry. If you thought Instagram was bad for traders, go on TikTok. It's even fucking worse.
Oh, fuck no, I'm not down with the kids.
No, don't do it. Don't do it. Save yourself the pain. Any new traders need to stay on demo until they're consistent. Might take you weeks, months, or years, or decades. Yeah, absolutely, man. You want to trade demo for a little bit, definitely, but don't stay on demo for too long, because you could be a consistent demo trader, and the second you go to real money, everything goes out the window, even if it's only a small real account. Yeah.
I can't close above that level.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, we've had that 15-minute, 30-minute close now, so let's start breaking this down a little bit. 15 was nice. 15 to me still looks strong. 30-minute doesn't look strong. This
Still really.
current candle is creating this top wick right now, which makes me think we're going to drive a little bit lower one more time. I think we go a little bit lower on gold.
Yeah.
So yeah, hourly.
It's
Still going, but it's probably going to be doji, I reckon. 390-minute time frame, let's do that. So yeah, 30 minute on gold, can't do anything just yet. 30 minute on GJ, look at that, nice wick to these lows. I think GJ comes back and grabs this liquidity. I reckon there's a lot of retails trying to catch this bottom right now. I reckon there's moolah sitting below there.
Isn't there, I'm sure there's like an emoji with money on it. I'm sure there's.
What, sorry?
Oh, there is. There is.
Oh yeah, you get some emojis on there now. Where's the money emoji?
yeah.
Yeah, look at that. We got some money sitting below there.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, we got some dollar down there. How many money bags do you want?
Put some bread down there. Go on. Put some loaves.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. I'm trying to click on this one. How many have I got? Jesus Christ.
You get excited now.
Oh yeah, I guess there's too many. No more money bags. Go away, money bags. All right.
Did you get all those money bags from your Gucci shoes?
Did you? Because
Yeah, I see.
Did you see his reel?
Stories. Yeah. His reel and your story.
we can have a made
That's the bread.
bread in that position.
We need to patent that now.
We made bread in that position, and we made bread in that position, but we didn't make bread in this position. So we've only had 3 breads, the past since last Friday. We had three breads, 3 winners on GJ, 100% win rate on GJ so far this year.
Jeez.
Yeah. Euro yen. Yeah, I'll take a look in a second. Let's go to these spreads. Euro yen. It's going to be very similar to GJ. That's why I only trade one or the other. But look at that. Oh, look at that. EJ had that double bottom, and EJ has just grabbed it.
EJ is broken.
Double bottom, liquidity sitting down there, spiked out. Oh, is this going to be a push back up? Or are we going to come and fill in the wick because GJ needs to do it as well? So, very interesting times. Anyone who's trying to, long off this, say they're long in here, they got their stops below this double bottom, now being grabbed, been wicked out. Look at that. Do you trade supply and demand? What are your thoughts? No, I do not trade supply and demand, man. Supply and demand, support and resistance. I do not know the difference.
Different words.
Yeah, different words, same shit.
Same meaning.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. English is my second language also. Go
on. That's the thing, you can call it supply and demand, you can call it support and resistance. It's all about perspective. If you like it to see it from the perspective of supply and demand, amazing. The principles are pretty much the exact same, but I prefer to see it as just, just levels of support and resistance.
I don't even call it support or resistance anymore.
Just levels, isn't it?
Yeah, I call it, just levels. That's all
Levels.
it says. It's level. It's either rejecting it or...
Yeah. Like gold yesterday. The drops of this levels. So simple. Broke, fake out. We would never short this break because we have this double top sitting above here. Then boom, breaks above. Then once we break back below, retest, boom, down to the next level. And that is a nice 200 pips. Just trading levels.
Yeah, you can get off that one because I missed that.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you had a nice short here, Alad, as well. You could
a little bit lower.
Yeah, what, a little bit here? Oh, like here?
No, off the break of that candle.
Oh yeah, nice. Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a 1 to 7.
Yeah, should go off.
Yeah, just reminds you, just in case you forgot, you missed out on a 1 to 7 yesterday.
I know.
I just call them levels.
Session. I know how much.
Did you?
Yeah, I just went down one hole, to be honest.
Nice. Ash calls them levels of sensitivity. Orders can go either way, but we know there's traffic there. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
Levels of sensitivity. I like that.
yeah, I like that. Is Ash gonna come over to Thailand?
Ash, are you coming over to Thailand? Or are you staying in Vietnam? Where's next on the travel list, Ash?
Say hi.
Yeah. You're famous in the community, Ash. We want to say hello to you.
Yeah. What was that? That we're talking in 15 minutes on gold?
Yes, sir. Sure is. Need to go back to see family and get a new passport. Alright, it's fine. If you don't want to see us. Mikey, thoughts on market manipulation? That's exactly how we trade, man. We trade only market manipulation and liquidity. It's the foundations of everything that we do. So, like this. We would never short here until this market manipulation had happened, where we grabbed these highs and then had the pushback down. So yeah, the market manipulation is the foundations to everything we do. Absolutely everything. Absolutely everything. In terms of like institutional traders, that's like a lot of the stuff that I sort of studied early on in my journey, as opposed to the most retail side of things. But there's no way to ever know what institutions are actually doing. I mean, most institutions literally trade support and resistance and use like a 200 moving average, and that's pretty much about it. And that's, you know, our trading is levels and liquidity. Liquidity is the main. Market manipulation is the main part of it, though. So not sure what's next. If you know where there's manipulation and know what to look for, play it. Absolutely, yeah, literally. That's my whole entire trading plan, is knowing levels where we're going to get some sort of manipulation, waiting for it to happen, or trading into it. Like on the GJ trade we took on Wednesday on the stream. Was it this one here? Yeah, it was this one. We had a double top right here, and we know before we're going to have a drop back down. People are going to be shorting this double top, and we know there's going to be market manipulation around this region. So when everyone's shorting this resistance, we were buying into this resistance. So don't short resistance, buy into it. Which may, you know, you might be like, what the fuck, why would you buy at resistance when everyone tells you to sell at resistance? Well, that's exactly why you buy at resistance. You buy into resistance when you see it having many of rejections. You see lots of rejections around resistance, and you look like it's a fantastic place to sell. If there's been no liquidity grabs, you have to wait. Because 9 times out of 10, if you look back at price action, price will take out previous levels of support and resistance before having the real move, and that is the foundations of everything we do.
Visible.
And don't forget off the hundreds of millions and billions they're playing with. Yeah, literally, man. We are the smallest of fish in this massive pond of traders. We are tiny, tiny, tiny. We make zero difference to this market.
So yet.
Yeah, until I start trading fucking 50,000 lots, you guys will be sorry.
Oh my god.
I saw Roger Banks took his first 200 lot yesterday. That's pretty cool.
100 lots.
Yeah.
Oh.
Trading with the big dogs now.
I would love to see that live and to see like
Easily.
percentages of the returns. Like,
Yeah. It's crazy.
come on. Because I've literally got 5 minutes left. Honestly, 15 minute combo.
Yeah. Break. We just got a 5-minute break. Yeah, we have actually a nice little 5-minute break there.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I didn't see that candle live, so I don't know if it's pulled back first or not.
No, I need this 15 minutes, a 15-minute level, so I need a 15-minute close. If this 15-minute close is strong, amazing, then we get the support. and then we get the play.
And then, yeah,
We need that close.
I will enter with you.
Yep.
And
We'll get that support. You have that initial push up. You get the liquidity grab, and then we'll look to enter. Literally like here. Break this level. Retest it. Everyone goes long here. Spiked out once. Come and grab that low one more time. Huge push up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Where did you learn your skills? I learned a lot from lots of different people until I eventually adapted my own style. Took little bits from loads of different people, and then kind of adapted it into my own style and strategy. And I'm still always, adapting as the markets adapt as well. You in the gold? No, I'm not in the gold. I'm waiting for this 15-minute close. As soon as this 15-minute closes like this, shows me the buyers are ready to take this to the moon, then we'll look to get involved. We'll collect this close bullish, we'll get the quick little retest, and we'll get the nice momentum play back up. And then we'll get this nice, well, the previous 30-minute was doji as well. So we don't want to get too excited on this just yet, but if we get the 15, we can look to take it. I still remember the days I had to look at NAS. I remember that. He told me that a lot of times. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. Run up them likes. We can get everyone watching. We can get everyone making bank. How long we got? 3 minutes to those 15 closes. Let's see how we close. Let's see, are we going to hold this level, or are we going to start to close back down right in the last 5 minutes? The next 5 minutes is the one that you want to watch, because it's the last 5 minutes of the 15, and it's the 5 minute that could manipulate. Oh, it's hot in here. Is it hot today in Australia? Very, very hot.
Yeah.
Hello? I heard that.
oh, yeah, it is.
Cade, I heard that.
You what?
You what, mate?
You want it? I'll give it you.
Oh no,
Pretty good.
gold.
Okay.
Gold is
Thank you.
closing.
I'm actually part fuck with English, that's the one.
There you go. We got there in the end.
Hey.
Yeah.
Me and Cade aren't friends anymore.
Yeah.
Cade promised me a date on the weekend and then bailed. Kate said we could go on a
I
date.
literally said yes to my sister's barbecue. I don't even know if I'll be able to watch it.
That's a poor excuse.
On a Barbie. Go on, kid, say Barbie.
I'm upset.
You just made Kate upset. Here in Holland is -4. Damn, that's fucking cold. How hot is it here right now? It's 27 here right now, and it's 5:45 in the evening.
Yeah, but check out what's the humidity? Because I'm 26, but it says humidity makes it feel 28.
Makes it feel 28. Yeah, it's fucking hot. Yeah, it feels like 28. Yeah, 6 o'clock at night, it's 20 degrees. Oh, gold, slow down,
gold.
you mother.
Calm down.
Fuck, Sunday's gonna be 35.
Really? Shit.
Yeah. So it's gonna be a 40+ degree day probably.
Well, we could always watch the UFC in a big. Oh no, we're not doing it anymore. Oh, it doesn't. Don't worry. What's that? Oh, look at that. That would have been a nice entry. But I still think we get. No, there we go. Now we've got that nice 15-minute closure. Broken above this level. Let's look for some longs. Let's look for some longs. Pull back. Come on. Come down.
Yeah, please.
Come down.
Because I need to go to bed.
Alan needs to go to work, so make Alan bank before he goes to work.
Yeah.
Come back down here. Dot summit here. Targeting around here. Lovely. Yeah, I mean, it's very nice, man. It's very, very nice. It's hot, but it's nice. I like the heat. I like the heat. I don't know when summer ends here, actually. Australia. Summer end. The hottest months are December, January, and February. Oh,
Right, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to live and leave you.
Oh man.
No.
All right.
Who's going to give us the GJ signals, Alan?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, mate. It's a Friday. Enjoy yourself. Don't worry. Not every day is a trading day.
It is, Alad. Don't say that.
I'm just trying to say it so it makes me feel better, you know?
Oh,
There
gold.
was no trade. I didn't miss anything. So
Mother-
I feel better.
Gold.
Is that a retest?
Yeah, it's a fucking nice one as well.
Alright, have a good one, guys.
Alright,
Be
man.
safe out there.
It's a demo.
See you, man.
Bye. Have
Bye.
a good weekend, guys.
See you, man. You too. What the fuck? Around March? Yeah, man. Oh, look at this. Goldie. Goldie needs to come back down and give us a retest so we can go long. Because this previous 15 minutes, the only candle that's closed above that's confirmed. But look at that. It's a lovely left shoulder head, right shoulder. Maybe potentially a little bit too patient on that, because that right there was a lovely entry as well. What was that? What you just hit at these highs? 56 pips, 60 pips. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah. Could have even taken, I mean, talking in hindsight, break of this high is an entry. Stop somewhere down here, but then again came into this instant level, so it was risky. So it's nothing missed just yet for me. It's a nice push, it's nice being confirmed. Look at that. GJ now grabbing these lows after that big rejection. Everyone trying to long GJ, like I mentioned, with our dollar signs now getting stopped out. So depending on how we're going to react around these lows, there's a potential to look for a nice push back up on GJ now that we've taken out these lows. Come and grab this top wick here as well. From these levels, potential 70 pip retracement. So a potential move right there. We adjust our level a little bit here. Bring it to these wicks, these highs. Looks like a pretty clean level to me to come retest. But let's see. I just need gold to retrace. If gold takes out these highs before having that push back down, then I'm only interested in the shorts. GU looking good. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Did GU grab the lows? Oh, look at that. GU did not grab the lows. Yeah, GU close yesterday was very, very nice. Oh, look at that. Just left a nice double bottom there on GJ. Sorry, GU. Lovely daily close on GU yesterday. Nice wick rejection. Potential to come and grab these lows. Pull back. Creating that bottom wick. Maybe we'll come back up and retest some of this wick. Maybe even grab yesterday's previous daily high. Potential. I don't really intraday GU that much, but some nice levels to watch. Look at that, clean. I see how GJ is going to close in this next 15. Because look at that, taking out these lows one more time and now starting to reject. Is it going to give us a nice opportunity to go long? Can't go long just yet. I need some more price action, but if we can go long, we've got the potential to come up and retest around 158. Boy, just call it 159. 30 likes. Appreciate YouTube fam. Thank you guys for dropping a little like. We just need a little bit more price action. Create some space, something like this. Create some structure, and then we could potentially look for a trade. NAS is doing nothing. I don't know if anyone on Zoom's traded NAS yesterday or today. I have not. There's a daily close on NAS. Yeah, nice. I think NAS could pull higher. Grabbing all these lows, grabbing this liquidity, starting to throw some nice rejections. Look at this. Support is being grabbed, has broken below. Have we just grabbed this little double bottom? Not yet. Maybe it's a US play on NAS. Not a lot of volume yet, which is fine. Look at that. Gold now starting to create a huge wick. This is why we don't chase gold. First profit target had to be here after we grabbed these previous daily highs. Previous highs right here. Was these the Asia highs? Yeah, look at that. Asia highs being grabbed. Now gold gets interesting. Just when it looks so bullish and you think you've missed the move, you start chasing it, you're straight back down. Straight back down. Do you trade New York session? Yeah, I trade pre-New York, and I trade the New York Open for maybe an hour. I prefer London, but if I don't get a lot of volume in London, then I'll trade New York. But if I get good moves in London, then I don't trade New York. Well, I'll watch it, but I won't be going aggressive, forcing entries. If I've made good trades in London, then I'm happy with my bank, and I don't want to give it all back. But yeah, it's nice to watch it. But let's see. Hourly all of a sudden ain't looking so bullish on gold anymore. Now we're retesting all these levels where we could potentially go short. I would like these highs to be taken before I do go short, but we have grabbed this high, so it doesn't have to. We'll wait for this close, because we could just range now. This would be a lovely play up, and I would have just... If you took this position, you secure profits around these highs, 60 pips, you're done. You take your money and you run. But let's wait. How long we got? We got another 7 minutes till we get this next 15 and hourly 30 minute as well. So oh, I just saw your text, Kate. Sorry, I missed your text. So keen for the trading session. You said so keen for the trading sessions.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm keen to get. I'm gonna buy like a get a stand-up desk on the go. Get the screen there sometime next week. Get it kitted out.
Have you sorted out Wi-Fi yet?
Yeah, I went with that one that you sent me.
TVG.
Yeah, man, I'm just waiting for it. It's all set up, but I just need to wait for the modem to arrive and then plug it in, and we're ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, nice. Did they say when it should be in?
No, they haven't said yet, but it is on the way. So I've got my place here until the 27th, so I'm just going to stay here until my Wi-Fi is all sorted. Or try and move some stuff on the weekend, maybe move in on the weekend and just use 4G again. But I should have the Wi-Fi early next week, so we'll get. I should have the Wi-Fi early next week, so we'll get a trading session going again.
Yeah, sweet. Peaches. Happy days.
Happy days, mate.
Definitely got short bias on
NAS?
gold, yeah.
On gold? Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Me too. I thought you were about to say NAS. Then I forgot you're an FX trader now again.
Golden NAS. Only golden NAS.
Forex with Kate is back. Yeah, NAS is looking a bit quiet, isn't it? NAS ain't doing too much.
Yeah, NAS looking terrible.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's doing.
It's been it's kind of been like, this is kind of the week that it's been. That's why I've been very, very patient this week.
Yeah, I feel it's moving a lot more obviously in New York. And
Yeah.
more opportunity in New York at the moment.
London did have a pretty fat move yesterday. Look at that.
Mm.
That's a 100-point move up. It's huge. Boom! Look at that. That was nice. Look at that. Look at that New York entry. Had that resistance, broke, grabbed that resistance, solid push back down, broke all the structure, retest.
The retest, yeah.
That's a textbook one. Get that in your textbook, son. Look at that.
That's a huge drop too.
Boom. Grab the liquidity. Stop hunt. Look, rejection. Everyone goes short there. Stops above there. Grab that high. Boom. Solid push back down. Stops everyone out. Real push. Retest. Even you get in here, or you manage to get 2 entries. You get another entry there. Play it down to these lows. You hold a partial down to here. Amazing position.
Yeah, 6%. That's nice.
Huge. Yeah. Huge. Goldie. YouTube fam, shoot over any questions whilst we're waiting for the markets to present an opportunity. Ask me over any travel, trading, psychology, life questions you want, and we can answer some questions whilst we're waiting. And drop a little like for that stream. Get everyone joining us. We'll see if we can get a nice fun coupon Friday trade. Alright, give me a sec. I'm just gonna grab a drink. Ah, fuck. What on earth are you doing? Got my 10 pips on GU, break even out, aim for 100. Good shit, Ash. Literally, these are the markets where you literally do have to get your 10 pips and go straight to break even. It's a good shout. What time is the New York for you in Oz? I start trading it about 9:30 p.m. and I'll maybe watch it until like 11:30, sometimes 12:30 if I'm feeling wild. But yeah, I trade. Maybe I'll probably trade like I'd say 3 hours in London, and then maybe 1 to 2, sometimes 3 of New York if there's something worth taking. But yeah, if I get the good moves in London, then I don't watch it too much. Like today, London's looking a bit slow, and we'll continue to watch it for a little bit longer. But if I don't get a trade this morning and it's looking a bit slow, then I'll look to see if the US brings in some volume. So we'll continue watching London for like 2 more hours or so, hour and a half. See how we go. If we get some good volume at the London Open, we'll take a nice position and hopefully be done. So stick around. Hopefully we can catch a nice position. Why does the YouTube views keep fluctuating so much? How do you prevent self-sabotage once you're up a decent amount? You're probably trading, if you're up like decent profits and you're all of a sudden getting really emotional, it could be due to you trading your P&L as opposed to actually trading the charts. Like if you're when I was early on in my journey and I made profits and I made good trades, more so when I made good trades and I had a smaller account, I wasn't happy with the profits and I was trading my P&L. You know, I wanted to make more money, whereas opposed if I took the exact same trade on a larger account size before I had funding, etc., then I wouldn't have been looking to take another position. And the only reason I wasn't happy was because I wasn't happy with the monetary value as opposed to being happy that I took an actual good trade. And then I would kind of, you know, force trades because I want to make more money, where that's literally the worst way you could possibly trade. So I mean, yeah, don't like, if to stop yourself from self-sabotaging is if you've called a fantastic trade, then be done. All you need is 1 to 2 trades a day. Is literally all you need. You don't need any more. If you go into your MT4 and your MT4 is full of positions each day, then you're over trading. 1 to 2, 3, max 4 trades a day, but usually 1 to 3 is literally all you need. And if you go above that, then you break your plan. But you have to have a plan and set rules to stick to. If you're taking random positions, random lot sizes, random trades, then you don't have a plan, and you need a plan. You cannot trade without a plan. Yeah, Tony GJ taking lows again. Yeah, it is, man. Just want to see how we're going to close. If we're going to close below this, then we could potentially just roll over. But I personally can't short GJ until we come up properly. So I mean, I would like to long, but it is aggressive. So yeah, taking the lows one more time. I've just had that hourly close is probably pretty bearish as well. Yeah, very fucking bearish. Look at that, huge. I'm not trading against this. And I can't trade against this, and I can't trade with it, because in order for me to trade with it, I need to pull back to give an entry to go lower. So I need it to find some support, and then I'll scalp, I don't know, maybe a 20, 30, 40 pip pullback, and then potentially look for the short. But I kind of just have to let it do its thing now and then. As soon as we do find that support, maybe we find some support here, then we can look for the long. Look for the long or look for the short. Hero Trader Sound on Daxing and Discord, remember I called in that 80 area. Let's see, let's have a look. Oh, look at that DAX as well. Looking like gold. Look at that. Huge wicking out that previous teddy. I don't trade the DAX much, but DAX is looking like it could have a nice rollover today. You got some nice support to come and grab down here. Some nice liquidity down there. Your money bag there. Some money sitting below there. You can go steal. Little pullbacks, short down. I don't trade this ever really, but it looks nice to come back up, retest that level, and you can see a nice little boom, nice push. How's that gold position? Let me see. Let's see. Whatever. I'll run my charts. Gold is just still creeping higher. I need to pull back to get an entry. Otherwise, I'm just chasing this. I'm chasing it into the support, and this is my target here. So I can't long right now because we're at my target of where I would want to take profit. The only long opportunity for me was when we were all the way back down here. So I just need to kind of let it do its thing for now. Maybe I over-refined the entry too much because looking at this now in hindsight, it was very, very nice. But prior to this push up, don't look in hindsight. It was very hard to judge where this is going to go. We had this resistance right here, so if we longed, we'd have to be break even instantly into there. So it's like it didn't really make sense. So we just kind of have to let it go for now and just wait for it to pull back down and not chase it. You got out at break even. I didn't take the gold position yet, man. I've not taken it. I've not taken any positions just yet. None just yet. Look at AUDNZD. I can have a look. I don't really trade that pair. It's very, very slow. Very, very slow. I used to trade it. It's very, very, very slow. This is what we showed on the Zoom. Resistance, grabbed, bam. Look how terrible that there was a lovely liquidity grab. You shorted that. You know, you run what 4% to profit, and then straight back to break even. So it's a horrible, horrible pair. It's just incredibly slow. It could take weeks to do anything. It is. Look at this. Look at that. From May all the way into August. Ranging. Look at this. Ranging. Does break out here, and now we can just range from the few bumps. I don't like to trade that pet. What was I on? GJ. Market's hot, man. I took 3 trades on gold, but break even each time. So I missed, but also break even is great. I follow morals. Yeah, absolutely, man. That's good. You took a break even. That's amazing. Break even is good. If you're sticking to your plan and you didn't get the volume or whatever, and you managed your risk and you took a break even that would have hit stop loss, great trade, great management. Break evens aren't just a bad thing. A lot of the times when I cut my positions aggressively at break even, it's because it was going against me and then would have ended up hitting stop loss. So trade management's key. 20 pips now on GU. Good shit, Ash. Good shit. GJ just dumping. This is why I can't trade against it and I can't trade with it. But GJ has given some nice positions recently. But when we're free falling like this, you don't want to chase it. You need to wait for it to find that support, and then you can retrace, and then you get the next short back down, or hedge up some longs and then go short. But for now, you just gotta let it do its thing. 75 people here. Remember, guys, drop a little like, get us to 40 likes, and hopefully the markets will be good to us. We'll pray to the Forex gods and we can hopefully take some positions. But there's nothing shaping up. The only thing I'll want to do is I'll short gold around these highs, and I'll only consider longs on GJ once we find some support. But we'll see. GJ did me dirty yesterday. Slipped my break even normally. Oh man, that's disgusting. Sometimes that's why break even can be annoying. If it's too aggressive and that shit happens, it's fucking annoying. But for the most part, I go break even once it's fully cleared my level and has broken a level where we shouldn't come back and retest. But yeah, that does happen sometimes. You know, you'll take a break even, it'll go straight to TP. Zay Nation, thank you for the little donation, man. Appreciate it. USD CAD, yeah, man. Let's have a look. Appreciate you donating and tuning in. Oh, look at that. USD CAD grabbing all that liquidity. How was the daily on USD CAD? Oh man, horrible. Yeah, USD CAD is not great. I mean, you kind of got like a left shoulder head, creating this right shoulder. We grabbed this low, we grabbed this low. Yesterday's low was rejection. Looking to me like USD CAD could go higher. Previous weekly, we just grabbed this previous weekly high, or did we not? Yeah, we did. Look at that. Just grab that high. Looking doji. If I had to give a bias, for whatever reason, on USD CAD, I'd be looking for longs. Let's go to the hourly. Where would I want to long from? Zay Nation, what were you looking for, man? What was your thoughts? Look at that. You got that high here. That's probably going to come and be grabbed. We're just breaking this support. Where could we come back down and retest? If we take a fib on like this, maybe we could come back down, trace some of these levels, and then potentially go higher. Where would I like to see it retrace? I don't know. Maybe we come and grab these highs. Previous level of resistance broken. Come back down, retest it as support. Lining up nicely with that 61.8% as well. So maybe come back down here, find that initial support, wait for the stop hunt, and then you look for the longs. So if I had to give a bias on USD CAD, it would be longs, but it's not the cleanest. It's not trending that well. Kind of needs more of a breakout. But you'd look for something like that. You look for come back down, retrace, create that support, grab the support, and then have the push back up. But it's not the cleanest. It's not the cleanest, I'll be honest. In fact, gold hit where my TP would have been, where we are grabbing 1, 2, triple top right there, now being grabbed on gold. So is this now going to give the potential to go short? That's what I would like. Have we just tapped into these levels? Yes, we have. Look at that. Oh, did we tap into it or not quite? Oh. Just about. Maybe we'll wick up one more time. Let's see how this is going to close. And I think we get short on gold. Now that we've taken out these highs, this could be the place. Oil short. What strategy do you use? I trade liquidity, retail traps, fibs, and a lot of price action. A lot of my positions are just based off price grabbing previous levels of resistance and then having the big drops, waiting for them, then retail traps, and then looking for the play. Okay, got these highs drawn on. Gold shorts yesterday. I don't short here. I'll wait for price to grab the liquidity and then have the push back down. This is the reason I was looking to long gold this morning. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, grabbing up into this liquidity, and this was the level where I would take profit and where I'd be now looking to potentially go short, because I know if gold's going to have a push lower, where do we need to come and grab before doing that? Well, we got a nice double top up there. Anyone shorting gold stops just above there, and now we could get that push back down. Hey, Zay Nation, appreciate it, man. To take long. Okay, yeah, nice, man, nice longs. Yeah, longs. Oh fuck, I should have cramped my leg. Longs on USD CAD look good. Just I let it pull back down a little bit more, and I think USD CAD's going to easily come and grab this high up here, high from Monday. But we are in a range. We are in a range. So I'd wait for a little bit more, wait for that full support, the liquidity grabs, and then look for the longs. But yeah, this is a lovely high left up here. Too long into anyone shorting gold. Shorting USD CAD. Short here, stops probably sitting just above this high, so we can expect, and if you get the long setup, boom, boom, grab that high, then who knows, then we may go low from there. But I appreciate you donating. You didn't have to donate, but I appreciate it. Yeah, Tony, we got CAD news tonight as well. Tony in Discord just mentioned we got CAD news tonight as well, so that could give you a big push. I appreciate it. No worries, man. No worries. Price action, go ahead. Thank you, man. That's all we use. So you mainly use liquidity grab. Yeah, pretty much, man. Pretty much. I actually meant to let me pin this here. Let me just watch gold because I want to see how gold's going to react around this high. Where are we? Here, let me share this with you guys. Terry, no trades just yet, man. I'm waiting to see how gold's going to react around this level for potential shorts. But no trades just yet. I wanted to catch this long up, but it pretty much took without us. But now we're going to see how we're going to react for this potential short. But if you guys want to watch how I trade, I made that YouTube video showing the day trading strategy and all you need to be able to catch some good positions. GJ just running lower. As soon as, like I say, as soon as we find that support, we'll be looking for the plays. Look at that, a lovely drop off there. Look, 1, 2, 3, drive into the highs. Boom, huge sell off. Again, we had that drive again on gold yesterday. We actually had a fourth drive. We had that 1, 2, 3, and that's usually where I like to short, but then it came back up again. Fourth drive into these highs, and then look at that. Grabbed that high that I had drawn, and I was trying to long up into this yesterday, but didn't get the price action, and then smashed up, and then straight back down. Battery saver mode is on. Ah, shit. Sir, why you no charge? What the fuck? What the? There we go. Charging. We're charging. No trades for me in London. Watching you as the perfect substitute. Hey, appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, no trades in London for me just yet. And like I say, if I don't get one, I will trade US. But I would like to take one in London today. But there's nothing shaping up just yet. I need gold to find resistance, and I need GJ to find support. Until that happens, I can't do any on either. Did we grab this low as well? Yeah, look at that. Grab that low, rejecting now. But you know, after this huge move, if you just go long, expecting this just to continue and blow up, you'll be mistaken. We'll now do something like this where we'll create that space before having that move, and you can still trade positions within these plays like we've done here and here. Still got 16 pips there. There's a 30 pip drop there. You can still catch these plays within this kind of accumulation zone. We just need to wait for it to happen. We need to wait for price to form some structure. We'll take Mr. Ashcorn 30 pips on GU. Yeah, nice. That's a lovely play. I don't day trade GU. Look at that. GU's now grabbing them highs. Where did I just lost my analysis? And then GU can come and grab them lows. Thoughts about BTC? Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Where's my analysis? This in the chart. Yeah, Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's going to come and grab some highs before a push back down. So, weekly time frame, Bitcoin looking like it's having that pullback. So, pulling back, maybe come back down, and we'll probably grab this previous weekly candle low, retest these levels, retest all of these levels here. Then you can look for longs up into here to come and grab that high before a push back down. So, yeah, yesterday's close was strong. We didn't grab any highs. We did have that 1, 2, 3. It's very similar to gold actually. Had them drives up to the highs. Nice push back down. So weekly to me on gold looks like we go lower. You got 20k there as well, which is a nice round psychological level. 20k. Look at that. So you can maybe come back down, retest 20k. Grab that previous low, retest this broken level. Look at that. Support, resistance, broke, fake out, boom. Closed right at 20k. Tried to break below, bam, straight back up. So, yeah, Bitcoin may come and retest 20k, and then who knows, maybe we come back up and retest 30k. Oh shit. Oh you fucker. There you go. BTC had such a yeah, it is, yeah. I used to day trade it, but I haven't day traded it in a while. But these shorts right here were a lovely move. Look at that. Had them liquidity grabs, that resistance failed to break above, and a nice push back down. Again, had that high, grabbed the high, strong push back down. So that's why I think exactly the same as the lows. We come and grab the lows, we'll come and grab this wick, grab this wick here, and then we go higher. But yeah, I don't really trade it. Sometimes, you know, if I'm at home on the laptop on the weekends and I might want to take some quick intraday crypto moves, I will, but I haven't done it in a while. Oh, now I've really fucked up on my charts. What did I have on here? Shit, okay. Wisdom tree. Gold, GJ, and NAS. Do you see yourself being as big as Greg Secker one day? That is the worst insult you could ever possibly give me. Greg Secker is the biggest fucking clown known. I see that dude's face every time I go on YouTube. I'm sick of seeing that guy's face. Every time I load up a YouTube video, it's not even trading related. He's like, so you're just getting started in your Forex journey? No, I'm fucking not. Nor do I want to hear about you and your team going for a run. I'm sick of that fucking ad as well, and how you taught us Gardner how to trade. It's fucking painful. Maybe he's a good dude, I don't know, but he's fucking irritating. So no, I don't want to be as big as Greg Secker one day. Spreads also make it hard to day trade. Yeah, depending on your broker, man. Depending on what broker you've got, and depending on if you're funded as well. But on personal accounts, I use raw spread accounts. 75 people watching. Remember, guys, drop a little like if we can get. Aaron was the gardener. I was the gardener who learned from Greg Secker. You have just exposed me. The truth has come out. I am the gardener. Aaron was the long lost gardener who got away, and we always wondered what happened to Greg Secker's gardener. Did he become that full-time trader when he made all that money that one day? That is me. All thanks to Greg Secker. Wouldn't be here without him. GJ, nothing yet. Gold, nothing yet, to be honest. The gardener made more. Yeah, I don't remember how much the gardener made, but it was ridiculous. For proper trade. Hey, I appreciate it, Paul. Thank you, man. I hope to have a good impact one day. You know, just bring more reality and genuineness to the industry. That's why you guys ask me any questions. I'm always happy to answer your questions. There's no bullshit, no fluffing this game. I just share with you guys as much as possible, and you know, trade here live every Wednesday and Friday. We catch great positions and just show you guys the possibilities and show you guys the struggles as well, because it's not all sunshine and rainbows. And if you're going at this game alone, it can be a very lonely, tough journey. And I want to kind of change that and create even just on this YouTube channel, just create a good place of good people where we tune in, we trade live, we make bank like we have, and we just chat. And be real people, because that's what we are. We're real people. There's too many egos in this game, and egos don't last. Real traders don't have big egos. Some of the best traders that I've ever met, you wouldn't even know they're traders. Oil looks bearish. Let's have a look at oil. I used to love trading oil. Well, I don't know what that is, but I like trading this. I must have my analysis on the chart. Yeah, I think oil goes higher. I think oil's got some liquidity to come and grab. You got this. Look at this. You got this nice little high up here. Got that resistance to come and grab. Like nice double top right there. I think oil's going to come and grab that. We almost had the exact same. Oil's been in a range for a while, so I haven't really traded too much. But look at that. We had that low. We grabbed the low. Strong push up. We got that high. Could we come and grab the high and then have strong push back down? To me, oil looks bullish on the weekly time frame. Sorry, daily time frame and weekly as well. What levels have we got here? Nice level, you know, trade above. We wicked out this, so maybe today come back down and retest some of yesterday's candle, and I think we go long. So I wouldn't like to see yesterday's daily taken out. I'd like to see yesterday's daily's low held and look for a pushback. Yeah, look at that. Yes, they had that lovely stop hunt. So to me, oil looks like we could run up. Let me get this off. Man, it's all off. Maybe I'll wait for, look at that. Nice level right here. Look at that. Resistance, broken, support. Support, support. Broken, broken, resistance. Broken, support, 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 resistance. So you'd probably want to break above this level. It's looking very, very quiet. You know, the markets are very quiet right now. But if you do get the nice price action, I personally think oil could have a nice run up into that level up there. Potential 500 pip move. So could be a good move. Could be a good move. But you know, Michael, if you were looking for like an intraday sell, I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just looking from a higher time frame perspective. I think the fact that we've grabbed the lows, the weekly's very strong. I think we could come and grab up here. But right now, from an intraday perspective, I personally wouldn't do anything in oil. Hey Aaron, do you take any swing trades or just intraday? Here, just intraday trades. The swing trades I take in the community. The swing trading is my bread and butter. I day trade within my swing positions, but if you look at most FX pairs right now, the swinging is not really the markets for swinging right now. I've had some good swing positions last week. I haven't taken any this week. I went to an in-person seminar and was nearly lynched. Oh really? Shit! How was that, Paul? I'm pretty intrigued by that. Yeah, I know he literally goes all around the UK. He goes all around the UK. Yeah, gold is starting to reject. Nice, good spot, good spot. Let's see. Oh, nice 5-minute close there on gold. Let's see. How's that 15-minute close? Yeah, nice. Gold could be rejecting our level. We closed back below this level here, then we know that was a fake out like I mentioned to come and grab that liquidity before potentially going lower. Let's have a look, James. Let's have a look. What time frame? 15 minute. Let's have a look. 15 minute. No, man, that's a nice liquidity grab. Look at that. It looked like it, but the fact that we've just grabbed it. Look at that, ever so slightly. Very nice, very nice. Just wicked out. Strong push up. Got potential to go. Hey, look at that, James. We were talking about how do you spot that reversal when it's all-time highs. Look at that. We drew that third drive into the highs and straight back down. So there's a lovely place to secure profit, like I mentioned. Look at that, nice. Lovely little reversal pattern right there. Look at that, rejects it, very, very nice. Rejected it, grab that low. Yeah, see. You mentioned Trade Like Mike on one of your lives a couple of weeks ago. You're right, he's a legend. Yeah, I like Trade Like Mike. He trades more stocks, but he's just another genuine dude. That's what we need more of in the industry. Just genuine, raw people. He's a good one for that. I don't trade like him in terms of the instruments that he trades, but I just like following his shit. You saved me. Oil went 50 pips up in 3 minutes. There you go, man. That's what we like to hear. Even if we're not jumping into positions, I hope I'm saving you guys from taking unnecessary trades and unnecessary losses. Like whenever I say price is going to come and grab some highs and you guys say you're in it, I always say close it, wait for the stop hunts, and they typically happen. Yeah, look at that. Now pushing up. Do you have a bias when trading? Never, ever have a bias. So it's like, well then, if someone then asks, well, how do you trade then? Well, you have your levels and you let price tell you which way it's going to go. Whenever price is trading above, like here, if price was trading above this region, I could be bullish. If price is trading below this region, I'm bearish. Is that my opinion? No, that's simply me reacting to what I'm seeing from the charts. If I'm seeing price trade above a level that I know is a nice level of support, I'm only looking for longs. If I see it trading below, amazing, I go short. So no ego, no bias. I don't care if the market is going to go up or down. I change my bias within seconds, which you guys will see the more we trade live. And I take any side of the markets. 1 minute it could be looking at longs, the next minute it could break my level and I could be going short, and I'll cut my longs and I'll go short instantly with no hesitation. So yeah, whoever's looking at where is that? Yeah, Michael, if you get a nice close here on oil, I think oil rips these highs. Yesterday's close was very, very nice. Broke back the level. Today's looking like we're gonna close pretty strong, and I think next target will be up there. But we are range bound, so don't chase it. But as long as I saved you from taking a loss, amazing. Would you long the FTSE if it breaks this local high? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I don't trade it too much, to be honest, James. I find it very, very choppy. I prefer trading NAS. But if we do break this high, yeah, this to me looks like a lovely rejection. We came in to fill some of it, we couldn't take it out, and if this closes strong, yeah, I think you could see a nice long there, James. I think it could be a nice position, man. I think it could be a nice position. But I haven't day traded it enough to know exactly how it moves. I know it moves very different to when I trade NAS and S&P. But I mean, just from a general technical perspective, it looks good. If you get a nice strong close, yeah, you got the potential, man. Potential. We probably won't come up and grab all-time highs again, given these daily rejections. But if you can get a nice intraday pullback to potentially go lower later on, it could be nice, man. It could be nice. But yeah, it was really nice to see how we were talking about that yesterday, and then it ended up reacting as we expected. Yeah, of course, man. No worries. Oil pushing higher. Let me get my GJ chart back on because I don't want to miss GJ. GJ still closing bearish. What's up, bro? Glad I made it on time. Hey, appreciate you tuning in, man. 83 people in the chat, guys. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. Yeah, reacting to price action. Absolutely. That's all we do. That's all we do. We react. We don't predict. We react to what we're seeing. I don't care. If someone say to me, Aaron, where is GJ going right now? I don't care. I can draw on and speculate what I think may happen, but I'm only going to trade what I see. And like I said on gold was a good example. I'll only short gold when we come up here, and I would only long gold once we break back above here. And if we didn't break back above, I wouldn't long. And it's as simple as that. Facts. I killed myself this week having a bias like bad. Yeah, man. This was not the week to go all in. I've only taken about 3 trades this week. 1 win, 1 L, and 1 break even, and I've been very, very patient because I know this is the week where people will blow up mentally and with your P&L. Sometimes even when the markets are quiet, and you could take loads of break evens, and although that's not a bad thing, you have to realize that you're also fucking up your psychology. So is it worth risking your mental capital trying to trade quiet markets? Because you have monetary capital and you've also got mental capital, and not many people focus on their mental capital. And when I see the markets are quiet like this, I don't do anything. I could take a few trades and I might pull out a little bit of profit, but I might also take some loss and I might take some break evens, and I know I'm probably going to get pretty frustrated. So what I would rather do is I would prepare and protect my mental capital so I can come back the next day or whenever the volume comes in and I'm fresh in terms of P&L and fresh in terms of mind. And this is what I was saying to everyone in the community yesterday. When there's times of quietness, sit on your hands and trade freedom. You want to be a trader for freedom, so learn to be able to do that. Because if you can't do that and you get to a point where you're making loads of money but you can't not bear to be on the charts and be trading shit price action, what's the fucking point, right? If you can't enjoy the fruits of your labor and you can't enjoy mental time away from the charts, then it's completely pointless. So monetary, you got the monetary capital and you got the mental capital. Never forget that there's mental capital in this game. There's only so many emotional decisions and mental capabilities that you can afford to take. So prioritize your mental capital during times like this. I wanted to catch this move up and I maybe missed it and I maybe over refined. But am I kicking myself and crying about it? Absolutely not, because then I'm just going to fuck over my psychology and then I'm going to miss the next move when it comes. But if I stay calm, I can see it's reacting around my levels and wait for a little bit more price action. When the opportunity does come, I'm fresh, ready to go. But if I try and chase it and take loads of losses, like a lot of people have done this week, then you're just chasing your tail for when the markets are nice again, and then you never get out of that hole of chasing back your losses. And remember, not trading is also trading, okay? Not trading when the markets are quiet is also trading. You can sit and watch it and you can study it, but you don't have to trade it every single day in and day out. Hello, bro. If you look at GJ in the 4 hour, it makes a double top, but I want to ask you to make a double what? Is it this? Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. I personally didn't notice a double top. Double top on the 4 hourly. Let's see. Did you mean this one? If you meant that one, for me, that has been liquidated. That is a lovely level grabbed before having a big pushback down. But yeah, I think GJ come back up, retest, and then grab some lows. I mean, even GJ on the high time frame, it is very, very just up and down, up and down, up and down. But GJ, the ranges are worth trading because you still get the big pip moves. But yeah, I think GJ goes lower today. I think GJ at least comes to grab this high, but I want to see it pull back so I can then short into that. I can short into those for a 100 pip move. Do you have a video on how you react to your levels, either short, long, or plan to make about it? I don't really, but I could potentially put that in the works. It's more of a psychology thing. It's more of a psychology thing. It's more of a reaction. I've done a lot of psychology reels on my Instagram. I do more audios in the community, but I think it's a psychology thing. Do you have a max limit of trades per week? Not really. Not really. I mean, I'll maybe take like some days I'll take no trades. Some days I might take three trades. And some days I might take just one trade. But on a weekly basis, not really, man. I haven't gone into more than like a 4 losses in a row streak in a very long time. But if I was to go into maybe 5 losses in a week, I would call it. But I haven't done that in a very, very long time. But even if I took 3 losses in a row in 1 week, I'd probably call it. But even still, I haven't done that in a while. But look at this. Look at this. GJ now rejected. Look at this price action today. It's pretty wild. Pretty wild. When I told Greg I was a technical trader, they looked scared. Wait, what the fuck? The normal cost of our course is 20k. But taking off it you for 2k. We only have 10 places available. Sounds about right. Also, we require all new candidates to open a live account on day 1 with our broker platform. Fucking hell. It gets worse. I knew he was a furu, but man, not to that extent. Jesus Christ. This is fucking crazy. Yeah, we're just going to drop our prices for 18k just because, we like you. Yeah, alright, mate. EA, grab it. Yeah, I'll be watching EA. Which chart do I have EA on? I've been watching EA closely. Yes, EA. That right there. That is a lovely liquidity grab. Look at that. Boom. Grab the previous high. Push them back down. Let me see. Gold. Not yet. Oh, we got that 15-minute close on gold. We just had that 15-minute. Let me just check gold. Yeah, but yeah, that was a lovely liquidity grab example on EA. Okay. See, no 15-minute close on gold just yet. But this is looking nice. Look at that. We just run up to them highs one more time. Grab that high one more time. Solid push back down. Could we take a short maybe here? Stops would be 14 pips, something like this. Maybe look at this to come back down and retest these levels. Potential. Not yet though. I don't want to jump the gun too early because this price action is not crazy, but there's a lovely liquidity grabs. Ben had a little short of supply earlier in the day and closed consolidation for a drop on EJ. Oh man, Ben, that was a fucking fat drop as well. Incredible drop. Huge drop. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Third try is always the liquidity grab. Bam. Insane. Insane drop. Crazy, 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 crazy. Did we grab that left up top there as well? Short next on gold? Yeah, possibly, Terry. If we get... I've just lost my gold chart. I'm mixing up all my charts here. Possibly. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. No, don't do this to us. Give me an entry. There was a huge sub. Just after watching the video. Oh, really? Fuck, man. I didn't think people actually fell for that shit. I'm surprised. I expect people to go there and just leave like, yeah, what a waste of time. I'm surprised so many people actually sign up. But YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. We've got 35 likes, 80 people in the house watching. Get us to 40 likes. Hopefully we can take a little trade soon. Yeah, stampede of people waiting to sign up is fucking mental, man. Stampede of sheep waiting to sign up. Anyone on Zoom? Are you guys looking at anything in particular that you want me to run over whilst we wait for some more volume? Any pairs? I'm just waiting for potential shorts on gold. Where's my GJ chart? See, solid push up on GJ, but we didn't grab any lows before this move, which is why I think GJ is going to come lower and grab these lows. If GJ was going to have, a true deep pullback, we would do something else. We'd wick out some highs, then we'd have the real move. We have that resistance, we take out the highs and have the real move. So, yeah, this now leaves some lovely targets on GJ to come and grab. So if we can pull back up, look at that. We've had that initial rejection. If we can grab this high one more time and throw some rejections, could we see a nice little short? 30 pips. Hey, that could be a nice little play there. Let's see how we react around this high. We have to come and grab this high one more time. So we'll see if this next 5 minutes and 2 minutes can close back below this level. We could see a nice little quick short, potential 30 pip move, 40 pip move. Look at that. Let's see if GJ can reject and close back below this previous high, then this looks like a little liquidity grab at this high, and we could be shortened back down into these lows. So let's see. If we finally get that pullback to go higher, then that gives an even bigger short later on. So oh, my screen must be frozen. It says we've got 35 likes, but I think we got more than 35 likes. So I've just checked it on my phone. Right, let's see how long we got to this close. We got, look at this, we got 15 seconds, 13 seconds. Are we going to finally get that nice push and close back below? If we do, we could potentially take an entry with a very tight stop loss with a nice target. Let's see, look at that, it's starting to reject in this last, ooh. Okay, let's wait. I'm going to get ready to potentially short GG on the break of this low. Okay, as I'm putting this sell in here, right here. Put it in at there to filter in spreads. Stops are above the high, or you can just mark it, execute in a second. So an 8 pip stop loss. So it's a nice tight stop loss, but it's a valid stop loss. If we break this high again, then we don't want to be in this trade. But we want this next 5 minutes to close strong. So we are in this GJ trade. So 8 pip stop loss, so it's a very, very nice stop loss because we do rip up higher, then I think we can come and retest these levels, and I'm not just going to sit in unnecessary drawdown. We'll take the quick loss, and then we'll potentially re-enter as we come up here. But an 8 pip stop loss, you filter in spreads as well. It's a nice one. Call it 8.5, whatever you want to call it. But we want to see this 5 minute close bearish. Gold on the 5 minute close short, so yeah, potentially. Let me quickly look. Yeah, nice. Let me set that gold. It's all going off now. And I don't want to miss gold because I'm too busy taking GJ, but gold's looking nice as well. But I need to watch both. Remember, this is the last 5 minute candle of this 15 as well. So this is the candle that if there's going to be a candle that's going to flip bearish, this is the one that we want to close bearish. It's a lovely entry so far. Now we're taking this previous low. This is the low where we could reject and go higher. So we may manage risk quite aggressively in a second. Let me give it a few more minutes because I don't want to be too aggressive. But now that we've grabbed this previous 5 minute low, this is the low we would have to grab before having the move back up. But this could also be the high that we grab before having the push back down. So this 5 minute now is make or break level for GJ. But if we get this nice strong 5 minute push like we're having, we could be onto a fucking fantastic entry. Look at that. Sit here doing nothing. Looks like nothing's going to present itself. Then all of a sudden, boom. What's that? Instant 12 pips. Not bad. You know what? Starting to reject. You know what? I'm gonna take risk off the table. I'm gonna put my stops to break even. Wait. Let me just. Okay, stop to break even. The reason being, stop's going to break even, like I say, because this is the low where we could take this low and rip higher and come and retest some levels up here. And if we do that, then I'll potentially look for shorts again up there. Let me just quickly check gold, so I don't want to miss gold as well. Okay, gold just taking the low as well. Okay, let's see. We're gonna wait for this. We're gonna wait 3 minutes for this next 5 minutes close, and that will give us the 15 as well. Yeah, nice. I think we come and grab these lows. But we're all good now. Risk is off the table. We're chilling. Remember, guys, filter in spreads as well. If we get stopped at break even, I think we go much higher. So I'll leave our original stop loss just so we can see how it would have potentially played out if we didn't manage risk. But let me just note, we'll break even. But if this 5 minute, like I say, breaks back below this previous high, this is a nice resistance. Resistance gets grabbed, that's the liquidity grab, and that's the momentum play you want back down. So you want this 5 minute to ideally close below this low, and you get a nice engulfing candle, and you should drive back down to the lows for a potential 40 pip move. And depending on how we react around here, it's going to be a barrier we could come and retest these levels as well, which would be around 20 pips. I won't secure 20 pips, I don't think, but we'll see how we react. But if this 5 minute closes like this and we don't close below this low, then I think this candle has the potential to turn bullish. So this is the last 1 minute. Oh, it might get stopped here. Gold alert has just gone off as well. Okay, let me just let me see GJ. Let me see. Gold is 1 minute. I'm still in this trade. Okay, I am now out of this. If this changes me a break even and drops. Oh, don't do that. Oh, look at that. Literally to my entry. Oh, you motherfucker. If this now drops, I won't be a happy man. But if this closes bullish, I think we run the highs. But I'm out of this at break even. But I'm going to leave the risks all on so we can see how it would have played if we didn't manage. And I'm watching gold as well because the alert on gold's just gone off. But this gold, remember, this is the last 5 minutes of the 15. So without even going on the 15 minute, if you can see this 5 minute closing bullish like we have, we know that 5 minutes just left 15 minutes just left a wick. Yeah, GJ 15 minute could do what we did in the 5 minute. We could grab the highs one more time. So we are out of this, but I will keep it on because it's a break even. We need to keep for the record. Keep the break even. Now we may come in 15 minute. Looking like we could come and grab the highs one more time. But that was a very, very nice entry. Very, very nice entry. And when you get entries that nice, you can afford to manage risk quite quick. Because like I say, if we come up to these levels again, then we don't want to be in the trade, so we can afford to manage risk the way we did. But we took this break even, we'll keep it on because we keep all the trades on. Alright, now let's see. I'm going to get off the 1 minute in a second because the 1 minute scares me. But 15 minute, we just had that 15 minute close. 15 minute to me looks like we could come up and run this high one more time. And come and retest these levels before taking the exact same setup again. So I'm happy to watch it for a little bit longer. If you guys on YouTube want to tune in and watch. We got the Zoom guys here as well. But let's see. That would oh man, look at that. Did we literally just get stopped at break even before the move? Gold. No shorts on gold just yet. 5 minutes too bullish, the 15 minute left a wick. We don't short gold. Let me see, where was that entry? Oh, look at that, 1 minute came exactly to our entry. One minute, literally. The 1 minute might have done us dirty there. Oh no. This is where I'd be managing. If I was still in this trade, I would be looking to take some profit right here. But I'm out of this. I'm not going to pretend to you guys that I'm not out of this break even. I am out of this at break even. I thought them things only happen to me. No, they happen sometimes, man. They happen. But that is like some precision to a whole new level. Like to the pip. Someone on YouTube told the market makers where Aaron's entry is. Literally tapped it. Literally. If it came back to my entry, no, not if it came back to my entry, because I think if we come back to my entry, I think we rip higher. If we come back up here, I think we could come up higher, and I'll just look to reshort. But because we had such a nice entry, that's why we could afford to go break even. Because if we do come back up here now, then we wouldn't want to be in this anymore anyway. GG, I'm still in. Good stuff. Good stuff. If you're still in, you know, if you just want to take some partials just at these lows, quick 20 pips, it's not bad. Do you take the 1 minute serious? No, man, no, never. I rarely trade it. I mean, you can trade it. I've traded it before, but it's not a strong confirmed time frame. I was just watching it to see if the 1 minute did come literally to our entry, and it literally came into our entry to the fucking pip. Still 100% on GJ. Good shit. Good job. If you guys have a little lag on the YouTube, you probably got a better entry than me, and you're probably still in the trade, so must be fucking nice. Because look, if you just hit, you're still in this, you just hit like an instant 2%, 20 pips. Instant 2% just from joining the stream. If you guys are still in this, you guys, I need to start somehow lagging my own trades. A couple of second lag and you guys are still in this. Good job. Let me just crack a light on. Love the lag. Yeah, you guys are making bank off the lag. Everyone on Zoom's going to be raging. Alright, let's watch gold. Is gold going higher? I'm not in this, by the way, guys. I'm not in gold because that 5 minute was strong, and that was the last 5 minute of the 15. So I know that 15 was the wick. Came and grabbed this low, and now we could potentially go higher on gold. But this is what happens, guys. You could watch me here on YouTube, and it look like nothing's presenting itself. Then in a second, bam! I take a position when the market presents itself, and we take it straight away. No hesitation. We sit here, we wait, we stay patient. Oh look, we'd be out of this at break even anyway. So if you guys did take profit around this previous level, good job. I now think this 15 minute comes and grabs the high one more time. Come and grab this high one more time. Create that 3-pin pattern on the 15, and we could look for shorts down into these lows. But I'm not in this, and we're break even, but I keep the risk to reward on because I keep all of them on all the trades that we take here. Like this one, 16 pips profit. This one, oh shit. That one from Friday, that was from the Asian stream. We keep all the positions on. So we'll keep it on. And there's nowhere for me to really long. I don't want to go long. because we're incredibly bearish, and you know, once we come up into these levels, maybe we'll come and grab this wick. We'll definitely grab this wick, and we'll look to do the same again. Look at gold. If I go on gold and it's dropped, you guys, no, not yet. Look at that little double top there as well. Look at that little double top. Very minor, but it's still a double top. So you watch for that to get anyone going short right now. They got their stop above that little intraday double top. Wait for that to be taken. Boom. Potential. Gold's not off the cards yet. I'm going to put my charts back to these guys just so I can look to watch both. Let me delete this up. Let me clean this up. Okay, leave this one on here. I'm going to get rid of NAS for time being. I just want to look at gold and GJ price action, and that's it. If gold can come and grab these highs, we could look for the short. Thanks for teaching us some real knowledge. Of course, man. Glad it helps. Glad it helps, man. Glad it helps. That's the only reason I do these streams. And if you guys just tune in, you know, you make bank, you take some knowledge. You guys just drop a little like, and that's enough for me. I'm more than happy to keep doing these. And if you guys, like I always say, if you guys want me to do these more on YouTube, I'll consider doing them more in the future as well. Maybe some Asian sessions, but I'll only do London twice a week on YouTube because the rest are just in the community. But maybe I'll do some Asian sessions. Yeah, Ben, here I have 3 charts like this. So I typically look at if I'm in Asian, in US, I'm watching NAS, gold, and GJ. If I'm just in London, I'm pretty much just watching gold and GJ. Let me just mark this high up here. So the previous 15-minute high that we could have come and grab. Yeah, Ben, you just do it here. It's really nice, man. You just have intervals ticked on as well. So whichever time frame you trade and change, it changes on them all. When are you dropping another vlog? I'll try and do one soon. I'm traveling again in April, going to Thailand for 2 months, so I'll definitely do lots of content there. I'll try and do some more. Look at that, gold now grabbing this double top, which is what we wanted before taking the short. So now could we consider shorts? Nah, it needs to get taken a little bit more. That gold's going to take that double top a little bit more first. The only person I take serious in this game, you keep it real. Hey, thank you, man. Appreciate it. That's the only reason I do these is to show you guys raw, genuine, real fucking trading. No bullshit. Have you been to Melbourne yet? I have not. I would like to go to Melbourne though. I have not been to Melbourne. I'll probably go this year. You know, go Melbourne, Sydney, visit a few places. I would like to go to Melbourne though. Oh, you motherfucker. See, look, we did just grab that, and if we close bearish here on gold, I'm potentially gonna short. At that double top, you know, we have technically just wicked it out and starting to have a pretty harsh sell-off. So like I said, anyone who was shorting here or trying to short again, they literally would have got wicked out. And now we could have the move. So let's see. We just broken that low again. I'm not shorting this just yet, but we're watching it. Gold goes lower, GJ goes higher. Yes, please get the most knowledge from you. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you. That's the goal. Take over the whole YouTube trading scene. And all you guys do, if you enjoyed the content, just drop a little like and let me know you enjoy it, and you know, go check out the other travel trading videos that I have as well. It's mainly what I do on YouTube, and I only recently started doing the lives, is sharing my journey as a travel trader, exploring, trading, making bank, and traveling the world. Don't change, you're humble. Thank you, man. I'll never change. I'll always stay humble. I never show money, materialism, anything like that, and I never will. We need some more rawness in the industry. No profits, no cars. The only way people take value from what I'm doing, or they think I'm a good trader, is I let my trades do the talking. I don't share any materialism bullshit. I don't show any profits. Explain the cash and the Gucci's. Nah, that was just a joke back to my friend Joe. Explain the cash and the Gucci's. Two people have just said, now just saving the Gucci shoes. They're not even mine. They're not my shoes. But no, like I say, I let my trades do the talking. I don't need to flex materialism. I could show you monetary value and profits, and you go, oh my god, that's amazing. I'm gonna join our community. Like I'm not here to do that. I'm here to let my trades do the talking. If you think I'm a good trader based off my trades, not my profit, that's how you want to be judging a trader. Like, you know, when I started learning off different traders, I joined trading groups because of the money they were making. It's only once you get that understanding that what's it relatable to. I could tell you guys, look, I just made 5,000 on this trade, and you guys could go, oh my god, that's amazing. But it's like, how much were you risking? What's your account size? So just sharing profits it's fucking useless and it's unrelatable. If I talk in terms of, you know, risk reward, percent, pips, if that helps you guys, and that's more relatable because you can relate that to your own account size, your funding challenge, your funded account, that's much more beneficial, and it just allows me to keep it real and genuine. I never want to be one of them clowns that flexes bullshit, because it's not me as a person, and I would never do that on social media because that's what Instagram is full of. That's the only reason I created this, is to share people more real and genuine shit. That money might get mold now. It's good that you wear your own vibe, but hey, thank you, man. Hey, Aaron, from sunny London. Nice, thanks. I've had to go to my watch list since following you. I've become a liquidity demon. Hey, good shit, Ray. Good shit. That's what we like to hear. Oh, Mamba effects, fucking hell. Hey, you got to do it. You know, you got to do it. I don't know what Swing Trading Lab. I don't know who that is, but yeah, fucking Mamba effects, man. But you know, like I say, I went through all that bullshit as well. So I don't knock anyone that has fallen for it. We all start trading because we want to make money, and we see everyone making money, and then the people that actually do well in this game are the people that fall in love with the game and not the money. When you master this craft, it's not a question of if you'll make money, it's like you will make money. So study the chart, study the game, don't focus on the money, and it will come, man. It will come. Oh, FX Alex G is Swing Trading Lab. Yeah, man, a lot of these traders just show you support and resistance shit that just doesn't fucking work anymore. Breaks and retests, that shit doesn't work. I know so many people sharing the liquidity to the levels that I do, and doing it live, calling the positions live and calling the areas live, so you guys not only take the good trades, you stop yourself from taking unnecessary losses. Let's see, is gold going to break this level? We've got 2 minutes to this close. GJ is going to come and grab this high a little bit more. Gold, I mean, maybe if we put it onto the actual wick, did we properly grab it? Not enough. Not enough for me to want to short. I want to see a nice stop hunt like this. You know, a real grab of these highs. A real grab of these highs, and I could look for the short. Same with GJ. I think GJ is going to come and grab these highs a little bit more. And that was the reason, look, we managed risk right there. If we didn't manage the risk the way we did, we would have got stopped out. So risk management is on point there as well. Once we failed to close below this low here that I mentioned, this is where we could reject and go higher, and that's exactly what we did. Simple price action. Simple price action with, you know, understanding candles. I don't have any indicators. I sometimes use fibs and trend lines, but I also use trend lines to understand what retailers will look at, as opposed to actually, you know, trading. I've done all the bullshit of, you know, I'm going to buy on a third touch of a trend line around a 61.8% fib. Shit doesn't work anymore. We got 30 seconds till this next 5-minute closes. Gold's looking like it's going to go down, but it's not enough to go, oh, look at this. Fucking hell, look at this motherfucker. What's going on here? Nas is having is that a free fall on Nas, or what's going on Nas? Let's get that on the big screen. Nah, nothing really. Look at that. Double top, grab the highs, break, boom. But no, I'm not happy to short gold just yet. Nice. This is what we want on GJ. Now GJ's grabbing them highs. This is what we want. Now let's see how we're gonna react. Have we just closed above the previous 15-minute high? Yeah. Okay. No shorts just yet. No shorts just yet. I would have wanted this 15-minute to wick out these highs, but close back below. So this is a lovely area where I would like to be looking for shorts down into these lows, but I would like to see price ideally close back below here. We don't have to wait for it to retest if it does, but I want to see it close back below here, and I'd like to short down into these lows. And gold, I'm not too interested at the minute. All right, let's see. Let's wait. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Okay. 5 minute creeping up. Look at that. Not a whole lot of volume, but it's creeping up. Slowly grabbing highs. We haven't created a bottom wick just yet, so we're now grabbing. Are we grabbing this high? Might grab that high first. We'll reject it. Maybe we can spike into it a little bit more. I like your precision. Some nice insights here. Thank you, man. We've not taken any huge positions yet today. I think this is one of the first streams we've done in a while where we haven't taken a nice trade. But I mean, that was this here was a lovely trade. It was a lovely trade, lovely management, a fantastic position. And it may look quiet now, but within a couple of seconds, things could change and we could be going again. Right, let's see. Shorts on gold. Not just yet. It's not in a very nice range. I do like gold to come back down to these levels. I mean, I kind of want to see these, like, technically this double top's been liquidated. Look at that. It has been taken. I personally like to see the stop hunts like this with a nice clear stop hunt. So even if this does drop from here, I'm okay with it. I need to see a little bit more. Look at that. Now GJ's I just almost missed that. GJ just spiked out that high. Let's see if we're going to wick it out one more time. If GJ can close back below this double top, this little resistance, we can look to do the exact same thing that we did before and look for this really nice short. 10 pip stop loss, 60 pip target. Could be beautiful. Owly about to open. May come and grab the highs on gold, then melt. Yeah, that's what I would like. Grab these highs a little bit more. Yeah, we have had that Owly as well. Nice spot. Oh, look at that. Lovely rejection on gold. Yeah, we're going to go short on gold soon. GJ could come fill in some of this wick as well. Yeah, look at that. It's a lovely, lovely wick. And this is why when I said to everyone very early on in the session, was looking for longs in gold around here to come and grab this double top. And we wicked out that double top beautifully. So gold looks like it wants to go to 1876. Well, let's have a look, John. Let's have a look. 1876. Let's go down to the hourly. 1876. Yeah, nice level. Nice level. You got that previous high there as well. Come retest these supports. Yeah, it could be nice. I would just like to see, if I'm taking the short, I just want to see this. And then from these levels, yeah, we could easily do that. Or we could easily break. But yeah, I like that. I would just like this quick intraday short scalp down. And then come back and see what US is saying. Look at that. GJ spiking these highs a little bit more. We're creating that resistance. I think, see, it's all going off now. GJ, spike up a little bit more. And then I'll look for the short. As we're doing right now. If GJ starts to reject from around here, things could get very, very interesting. Shorts on gold from 7478. Yeah, man, I think that could be nicer. I mean, 15 minute, still bullish. We got all these highs up here. I would be shorting around here. But I just kind of want to take this little quick, 30, 40, 50 pip trade down, hold some anchors, and then from these regions, so the broken neckline, we could potentially then go long into this region and then go short again. Gold hasn't broken this previous low as well, so I mean, structure's still technically bullish. I think we're going to rip these highs a little bit more. I'm also wanting to see shorts on GJ. I think shorts on GJ are shaping up a little bit nicer, so pushing aggressively now, which is fine. I'm not taking long. There's no long setup. There's no short setup. So we just got to wait again. How long have we been on YouTube for? Let me see. 2 hours. 2 hours. One trade, one break even. One very good break even. One break even that if it wasn't managed the way it did, and we weren't, keeping our mind neutral and open to the fact that anything can happen, we would have taken a loss there. So great management. Naughty sausage. Where are you originally from, Aaron? I'm from Jersey. I'm from Jersey, little island, just off the UK. Strong close on GJ. The 5 minute can close strong and the 5 minute can close flip bearish, and the 15 minute will start to leave a nice wick. So like I mentioned on the 15 on GJ, it had to come and take out that previous 15. See that? Grab that 15. This next 15 minute hasn't really created a bottom wick yet. So if the 5 minute starts to throw bearish signs, things could get interesting. Remember guys, we have CAD news later on, so no trading CAD pairs or oil. Stay patient until that. The reason I'm not long in GJ is because before this move up, we didn't grab these lows, and I know these lows are going to come and get taken today at some point. So the higher we push, the bigger the short we get. What does that mean? Almost 100 people in here, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Drop a little like, get that YouTube algo going, booming, and hopefully we can take another trade soon. Remember, we're coming into the last few 5 minutes of this 15, so the next 2 5-minute candles on GJ are going to be key. Let me see what's going on here. Get this up. What time is that CAD news? Gold going higher. 71 likes, appreciate it guys. Now look at this. Look at this. Is this 5 minute going to close bearish on GJ? If we close bearish, we break back below that level, we could be seeing some shorts. Look at Nas. Nas was looking incredibly bearish and then retesting. Caught that for too long. Hey, good shit, James. Good shit. Let's take a look, man. Let's take a look. Did they get that closure? Oh, look at that, James. Lovely. You got that closure above. Booming. Look at that. As soon as we broke that resistance, you just go long straight away. Maybe on this little retest. Very, very nice, James. Where did you get the entry from, James? Lovely trade. Huge fake out, huge stop hunt, break back above, quick little retest. You go long there, and you also go long. Once again, we break this high again, so you got a position there, and you got a position there. Beautiful. That right there was a lovely liquidity grab. You also spotted that as well, James, so good fucking job, man. First week in the community, already making the good liquidity plays. Good play. Very, very good play. Once we close at 7901, yeah, good shit. That's love what I was saying. Yeah, beautiful. Very, very nice trade, James. Good shit, man. Secure some bank as we come into some potential barriers. You know, if we grab this high. But 5 minutes looking good. How's the hourly looking? Yeah, hourly's looking lovely as well. Look at that. Grab that low. Boom. Solid push up. You could also secure some profits there, and then maybe secure some profits at this high as well. Who bounced back down from 179? 179. See, yeah, nice level. Very, very nice level. You got a trend line breakout. If I touch a trend line, let me get this off. Oh yeah, nice. Squeezed breakout, come back up for a retest. Yeah, nice. I would take some profit around these highs right now. You know, because you got all of this here. And you know, you hold some of your position up into these levels, and then you hold a little anchor. You never fully secure your position, and then guess what? Then you can take a short risk free. So it's a great fucking play, James. Good job. Great fucking play. Lovely execution. You wait for price to break your level, which you said you would. It broke it. You executed. So great fucking job. Right. This next 5 minute on GJ is vital. This next 5 minute flips bearish. The 15 minutes going to leave that nice top wick, and we could go short. I can see the 20-point spread on you. Yeah, spreads can be high. Yeah, man, high. Hey Aaron, do you sell just the course or it's only monthly? It's just monthly access to the community. I don't upsell the course. It's all in there. In the community, you got the live trades, you got the swing trading, day trading course, all my trade breakdowns. You know, live access to these Zoom calls every other day. But no, man, the course is all in there. I don't upsell the course. It's just all within the community. Right. Bearish close here on GJ, and we look for shorts. I'm tempted. If I was a crazy motherfucker, I would actually put in this order right here. But I'm not that crazy of a motherfucker just yet. I need it to be... Look at that. Gold spiking at them highs one more time. Alright, let's see. Last 5 minutes of this 15 close on GJ. This could be very, very interesting. What made you pick Brisbane to live? Well, I had originally moved to the Gold Coast, and finding a place to live in the Gold Coast was literally impossible. I was there for like a month in Airbnb, spending stupid money. I literally could not find anywhere to live on the Gold Coast. It was just absolutely insane. You know, moving to a new country and saying, "Sir, do you take MT4 screenshot, please, sir?" And they say no. It's very, very difficult. Then I moved up to Brisbane to check out some places, and I got a place like instantly. And I just signed on a new place today, into a nice big house, with my girlfriend, and then we're gonna stay there, you know, for a year, 2 years, whatever, and then go somewhere else. But yeah, I'll be up and down from Brisbane. I'll be going to Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast more as well. Get by that beach, because I got to be by the beach during the day. Being by the beach and being by the sea is what keeps me sane in trading. That and traveling as well. Oh, look at this. Go on, GJ. Flip bearish. I have my terminal open. I'm going to get ready to potentially market execute GJ. But let's just wait for a little bit more. What would the stop loss be right now? 10 pips, not bad. Let's see. I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. Told you, man. Ocean View, place to work here. Come down any day. Yeah, Ben, definitely. I'll take you up on that offer, man, for sure. I'll come and take you up on that for sure, man. It'd be good to catch up. We'll go grab some lunch or some shit. Trade by the beach. Live that beach life. Trade some of the London session together as well, man. We'll do that for sure. I'm down for that, man. Oh, look at that. Gold wicking out them highs even more like we wanted. Now potentially flipping bearish. It's all going off. It's all going off. Gold and GJ are following the plan so far. Which one do we take? Do we take gold or do we take GJ? Let's wait. Gold made its move. Yeah, it might do. It's looking like it is. I'm more interested in GJ because GJ's got a bigger play for me. But look at that. Wicked out that high one more time like I wanted. Strong sell-off. GJ closes bearish like this, then that 15 minutes leaving a nice wick. You get the quick little retest, you go short as well. So 2 potential trades coming up. If you take both, use risk management. Don't go too crazy on the risk management on a Friday morning. Let's see. See, like I said, if I was a crazy motherfucker, I would have shorted on that break. But I'm not that crazy motherfucker just because of the price action this morning. Nice strong close here. Very quick little retest, and I instant execute short. And I'll probably have a stop just above this high instead. And get a nice risk reward to come back down to these lows. Oh, just don't fucking give me an entry though. Yeah, close below here, that's fine. You can close below there, and I'll still take a nice 60 pip play. Okay, just had that close. Right. What stop would be here? Okay, I'm short gold. Sorry, GJ. Fucking hell, I'm short GJ here. Stops above this previous 5 minute high. I want this next So we're going to get that next 15. Yeah, look at that lovely 15. I think we come and grab these lows. Oh, look at that 15 on gold. Gold with the play. Gold with the play. Look at that. Rip them highs. Anyone on YouTube or Zoom take that gold play after ripping them highs that we mentioned? That's very, very nice. Look at that. Solid push. Now we want GJ to follow through as well. Now we just wait. We wait for this next 5 minutes and then we assess and we go from there. But if we come back up to this 5 minute, then we don't want to be in this trade. So we don't need to have a stop loss up here, and you know, go into potentially 40 pip drawdown. We just need to stop above this high, because if we break that resistance again, then we could come higher. Sure did. Gold moving for me. Hey, good job. Good job. Oh, look at that GJ pushing up. I'm happy with this GJ push up because we haven't created a bottom wick yet. So this could push up, retest these levels, and then we should get this follow through, and at least break this low before this move up. Gold, look at gold. Gold was the play. What was that? Gold already at break even. Took both. Tony, good job, man. Good job. Gold already at break even. Good job. You guys are already taking gold. I just took a little more. Good. Yes, nice. Got in gold as well. Good shit. You guys are taking gold. There's 3 people in gold as well. Good job. Bang in play. Look at that. Rip them highs like we mentioned. Bam. You could have got on the break of this low. Stops above that high. So you go short there, you stop above the liquidity grab, and what you're running instant 3.5% in 10 minutes. You know, 50 pips, take your profit and run. Beautiful. Beautiful. In, bro. Good shit. Lots of people in gold. Oh, you guys are giving me FOMO. Look at that. I'm happy to see you guys take it. It's following the plan. Look at that. Lovely, lovely. Called that move beforehand beautifully. The fact that you guys took it, ripped the highs and tanked. Yeah, good fucking play, Tony. Secure your profits. This is the target. You just hit TP instantly. Instant bank. You know, secure 80%. Leave a little runner. Look at that. Look at that. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Hourly as well. Hourly could just, you know, hourly all the way down to 1850. Gold was great. Nice, nice, nice. You guys are in gold. I'm in GJ. I'm waiting for GJ to dump. If GJ 5 minute closes like this, I will close. But I do think even if GJ is going to have a push up higher, we're going to come and grab the low. So depending on how we react around this low, how long we got? We've got 2 more minutes. Look at that. What a call on gold. Holy. That's why I said, we don't show. Oh my days. I am out of GJ. We just had some news. That is wild. Look at that. That is huge. That is a move. Look at GJ. Holy, was there some pound news? Surely there's got to be pound news. Gold maybe 10% my small count. Amazing. Forex. I got slipped a little bit on that. Was that pound news? Unlucky, man. Yeah. Now yen. There was yen news. Yeah, there was. Where's that? China. Oh shit. Yeah. Wow. Expected money supply 12.6. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, you guys who got whoever got gold slippage got me on that stop loss. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. Look at that. GJ ripped, gold dumped. Holy. Yeah, insane. UJ rocketed. Let me see UJ. Holy shit. Oh yeah, look at UJ booming and GJ. Slippage got me. Yeah, if you got slipped on that, just secure some profits from that wild gold drop. What a move. That is crazy. Hey, that's why you trade with the stop loss. I got to actually taken a little bit more. I'll see where I got taken, but I got taken a little bit more than that. That's huge. 15. How's that 15 minute on GJ? Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, we're not touching GJ anymore today. GJ can go to the moon. GJ is going to the moon. Look at that owlie on GJ. Holy shit. That is insane. Was that news? Yeah, man, there was news. Let me send the link to you guys here. Let me send it here, man. Let's send it here. Yeah, there was yen news. Yeah, there you go, Tony. Oh my god, look at GJ. Oh, imagine being in that long. Holy, what is that? 100 pips right there. Fridays are always crazy. Yeah, my Fridays are crazy. If Fridays could be that crazy every Friday, man, we would have a good time. I should have taken a little anchor in that gold trade, because that gold trade was the play. Look at that. That's an instant. Because I played it, this always happens. Yeah, that's insane. What a push. Anyone still holding, why did you move to Australia, same place in the world? How come that? Gianluca, I had New Zealand residency from my parents, and I never wanted to stay in the UK. UK was never the place for me. Like, I love the UK, I love my home, but it was never where I wanted to stay full time. And then when I came to Australia early this year in April, you know, to see if I liked it. Then I went to New Zealand and I went back around the world, and then decided that, yeah, I wanted to come back and live full time. It's got good weather, the lifestyle's good, the people are like more chilled, you know, it's not so work as your life. And yeah, trading time zones are nice as well. So yeah, that's why I chose it, man. But I've been to lots of places, and just being in Australia and New Zealand as well is like one of my favorite spots. All right, fuck me. Now what do we do with GJ? Holy shit, nothing for the time being. Yeah, Gianluca, I'll walk straight in, man. You don't need anything. I don't know about getting the residency for Australia, but get like in terms of like coming here, that I'm not on any visas or anything like that, so I'm pretty lucky in that sense. So I got like Australian driver's license and shit like that now. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty fortunate. Yeah, GJ's off to the moon, off to the absolute moon. Gold's off to the floor. Insane. What a candle, man. If anyone was long on GJ from God knows where, see, if that wasn't for that news, then the technicals there were beautiful. Was that news scheduled in as well? Did I just fucking miss that or what? Oh yeah, it was in. It was fucking low impact as well. Fucking low impact my ass. Jesus Christ. Yeah, look at that. Gold rejecting the level. I'm not gonna check anything yet. Did you BTC? What does that mean, Terry? So one break even and oh, that L on GJ has broken the 100% win rate on GJ this year. Motherfucker. Low impact, yeah, fucking hell no is that low impact. Call that fucking low impact, Jesus Christ. Shooting GJ gonna give us more well. Yeah, but you boy. It's going to be a US session today for me, so I didn't catch a nice move in London, so it's going to be a US session for me to see what US is saying. How you take entry by using which strategy? My own strategy. If you guys who held that gold trade and you secured some bank of gold, that was beautiful. What? 75 pips, 60 pips, even if you just secured 60, 50, amazing play. I think I got slipped. I'm going to check after. I got slipped for around a total of like 25, 30 pips on GJ. And that ruined the 100% win rate on GJ for the year, for the start of this year. So gonna have to get some revenge on GJ. But that's me now for London, guys. I'm not going to trade it for the rest. We've had 2 crazy impulsive moves where the market now again needs to correct and find some space. So I'm going to wrap up here, come back for the US session. But I appreciate you guys on YouTube taking the time to tune in. If you did enjoy the stream, remember to just drop a little like. Go check out my other travel trading videos. If you made bank on these trades, then good fucking job. I'm going to be going again for the US session. But until then, same time again next Wednesday and next Friday, and we'll do the exact same stuff again. If you have any questions about anything, just head over to my Insta, and I'll be happy to help you guys out. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. Drop a little like, and I'll see you all on the next stream on Wednesday.